Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rebecca. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different because a few of us content creators from Brisbane have got together for a challenge.
T-Rox here. Let me introduce you to Twisted Visions Summer 2024. It's a little YouTuber challenge with a bunch of Brisbane YouTubers in it. There's Cam from Cam Carter's Adventures. There's Rebecca from Love, Life and Travel. There's Rob from Walkabout with Rob. There's myself.
T-Rox here. Hang on. Is that my taxi?
And Adam from the Brisbane channel. And we've got one topic and we've got 10 days to make a 10-minute video on that one topic. Test our creative interpretation to see what we come up with. I think we need to get into it. I better go.
So, when I was growing up, Fortitude Valley was a dangerous place to come. It was a nightclub area, it was full of drugs and all the stuff that teenagers shouldn't have been around, and it had a bad reputation. But now Fortitude Valley has grown up and it's become this trendy place to come. So let me show you around the older parts, and then we're going to show you the lovely new hip and happening parts with the trendy shops and the trendy cafes, and I'll show you why Fortitude Valley is not what everyone thinks it is. Let's go.
Fortitude Valley was named after the immigrant vessel Fortitude, which was used to transport free settlers from Scotland to Moreton Bay in 1849. Fortitude Valley, often called the Valley by local residents, is made up of two pedestrian malls, Brunswick Street Mall and Chinatown, and has a history of adult entertainment and crime. But all that has changed.
Walking through James Street in Fortitude Valley, and this area is definitely nothing like how I remember Fortitude Valley to be. It's far from the seedy reputation that it's famous for. This area is full of high-end shops, boutiques, cafes, and it's just got a really classy vibe about it. I really like it. I love the massive trees along James Street. It's even got its own cinema. Love it. So while in Fortitude Valley, you must come down to James Street to this amazing marketplace. There's so much variety here. I've been blown away. It is so lovely. Like this delicatessens, and there's a meat area, there's a dairy area, there's a seafood area, and the fresh produce looks amazing. I mean, look, check out this big apple. Isn't that cool? I just found this syrup. It's like fairy floss syrup. It's so cool. Isn't it cute? Apparently it's made in France. But yeah, I love that. And if you're wondering why the bakery has fans on the food, it's not to keep the food cold, it's to keep the flies away, because this is Australia. If you're looking for somewhere somewhere different to go for breakfast or lunch in Brisbane, I highly recommend heading to Fortitude Valley. Today I'm going to show you a very unique cafe called Illusions. Let's go inside and see what it's all about.
No, your eyes do not deceive you. Illusions Cafe is designed to look 2D. Every corner has been painted black and white, so it really does feel like you've stepped straight into a picture.
So we're now at Illusions Cafe and I've come and had this beautiful burger. Look at this. I don't know how I'm going to eat it all, but this place is very full. So Fortitude Valley is well known for its nightclubs, always has been, but this nightclub takes it to a whole other level. Actually, it's not just a nightclub, it is a bar, it is a restaurant, and it even has a rooftop bar. We'll go and check that out shortly, but I just want to show you around Cloudland because this is amazing. I love how they have like the separate little areas you can sit in, little couches and things. It's just got this really decadent vibe. It's so nice, I love it. So let me show you around. Okay, so we've come upstairs to the Cloudland rooftop bar on level 5. Never been here before, apparently it's been here a few years. Not sure if you're going to hear me over the music, but yeah, having a little drink here and enjoying the view. Now it is a rainy day, so we've had to stay under the roof here, but highly recommend it. It's really nice up here. I love it. It's got a good vibe. Let me show you around. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it showed you a new face to Fortitude Valley and not the one that maybe that you remember growing up. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below and let me know what is the one thing you think people get wrong about Brisbane. Pop that in the comments below, I'd love to know. And until next week, I'll catch you later. Don't forget to go and watch the other videos from the other content creators. And until then, have a great week. Bye, love you.
Be sure to check out the other channels in this challenge. Here they are below.